Hey guys, today we will see how to capture an image. So we will capture image of a Windows Server operating system, and of course it will be saved, and we will use that saved image later to create a new virtual machine and use that image. So I've already created a Windows VM over here. I've configured an IIS server, as you can see. So now we will begin the steps to capture. So first of all, I'll go to the C drive, Windows folder therein. Then the System32 folder. Within that, there is the sysprep folder, which is system prepare folder. So before capturing, we need to prepare the system to be captured. So there are certain files which need to be modified in order to do that. So we will start with the steps for system prepare now. I'll click generalize and shut down, of course, which will mean that the system will this pre-configured IIS server will shut down before we capture. This will take a few minutes. As you can see, your remote desktop services session has ended, which means the VM, the pre-configured IIS server has shut down now. Okay, now we will begin the steps to capture. The system has been prepared and it has shut down. Now we will capture the image. I will click capture icon over here. We now need to fill in few details. We don't want to share it to the gallery. We don't want to use it for any other purpose. We'll just save it simply. Automatically delete this virtual machine after creating the image. We'll keep the name as it is, which is okay. You can see the steps over here. So it stopped the virtual machine, it generalized, and now the deployment is in progress. So now the deployment is complete, which means it says over here deleted the virtual machine. So the capture process is complete. The Windows Server image has been captured now. We go inside. Now the VM which we created has been deleted. So we are just going to try and see if everything is okay, if it works. So we will create a new VM. I'll go to create. I've created a resource group. I'll name it Windows Web. Right, where it says image over here, I'm going to go and use the image which we have just captured. So I'll go to my images, and you can see over here Windows image. I'll use the license. We are going to be deleting this machine very soon anyway. This is just for demonstration purpose. I'll now review and create. While this is being created, it can take a few minutes. So it says your deployment is complete, which means the VM which we requested has been configured now. We go to the resource. We used a captured image to create this VM. So we will see if we have been successful. I'll copy the public IP, paste it over here. So we are on the web page of the new VM, new configured server, IIS server, which we just created. and so this is a web page, and we have been successful. So hope. So what we did basically today is we created a VM, we created a IIS server, a Windows IIS server. We captured the image, and then we used that image to create a new VM. So hope this is useful for you guys. Thank you very much. Thank you.